Dad, Mom, I got the highest score in the math competition today.
Good. Keep it up. Tell the driver to take you to buy a new iPad tomorrow.
It's not about the iPad. I was hoping we could go to the park this weekend, like you promised.
Sorry, buddy. Work.
We can go another time.
Yes,
Oh, honey, I have a fashion show in Paris this weekend. Maybe next month? Eat your dinner, it's getting cold. Mom, can you put the phone away, please? Just a minute, honey, I'm busy. You're always busy. Mom, don't go. I'm always alone.
They never listen. It's always about them. Keep it up, he said. Buy a new iPad, he said. Do they even know what subject this was for? Do they know I stayed up until 3 a.m. for a month?
Of course not. To them, I'm just another line on their success report. Another investment that's paying off. Do they even know what subject this was for? Do they know I stayed up until 3 a.m. for a month?
I don't want a new iPad, Dad. I don't want a trip to Paris, Mom. I just want you to look at me. If being good makes me invisible, then maybe I should stop being good. Dad, why aren't you here again? You promised. Mom, you said we'd eat together tonight. It's not the same eating alone. I miss you.
Mom, Dad, why aren't you here?
Goodbye, sweetie. Have a great day.
we'll see you after school.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Mom, can we talk? I've been having a hard time at school lately. Some seniors are...
Yes, I understand completely. Let's schedule that.
But it's important. I don't want to go to school anymore.
Honey, not now. I'm on a call.
Enough, Jack! Stop being so dramatic. You have everything other kids dream of. Go to your room.
Dad, it's not fair. Listen to your father, Jack.
It all happened so fast. One day he was our little boy, and the next, he was a stranger in our home.
Jack, what happened to your hair? And look at your grades. You failed everything?
I can't believe my eyes. This is unacceptable, Jack.
Explain yourself, young man.
We're waiting.
Why do you care? My grades don't pay for your silk, right?
How dare you speak to your mother like that? I work day and night for this family.
No! You work for your ego. You didn't even notice I was bleeding a month ago. You didn't notice I stopped eating. You only noticed when I stopped being perfect for your image.
I don't need this anymore. What happened?
I realized something. You don't need a son. You need a trophy. Well, the trophy's broken now.
When did he change so much?
We were there, but we weren't really there. Who is this?
Mr. Tony, I'm Jack's homeroom teacher. I've tried to call you 10 times. Jack's grades have collapsed, but that's not the main problem. He doesn't speak to anyone.
He sits in the corner and stares at the wall for hours. He's showing signs of severe depression and social withdrawal. Severe withdrawal? My son?
What happened? Is it work?
No, it's not work. It's Jack. He's not acting out, he's breaking. And we didn't even see it. Please open the door. I think he's in his room.
Let's go see him.
Why?
We love you, honey.
We're here for you.
Jack, we're sorry. We thought giving you everything meant we were good parents. But we gave you everything except ourselves.
We forgot that a house is just a building without the people inside it. Please give us a chance to fix this.
I just felt like a ghost in my own home.
Look, Jack! The sunset is beautiful. We've missed so many of these, haven't we?
Yeah, Mom, it's amazing. Never again. From now on, the phone stays in the car. Only us.
Dad, Mom, thank you for coming back for me.
Of course, buddy, we missed you.
We had to. Now race you to the water. You're on.
Think you can keep up?
Go, go.
Money can buy a house, but it can't buy a home.
It can buy a watch, but it can't buy back time.
Well said, sweetie. That's the spirit.
Exactly. Time with you two is
Race
priceless.
you to the water.
We work so hard to give our children everything we never had that we forget to give them the one thing we did have: a present parent. You can earn back the money you spent, but you can never buy back the childhood you missed.